Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need to begin now. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser and pat dry, not rub. Next, pump 2-3 drops of serum onto fingertips and dot across the face. Press gently to distribute. Why first? Serums deliver active ingredients to bare skin for best penetration. Once applied, wait 30 to 60 seconds so the serum sets into the epidermis. Make sure the skin feels just slightly tacky, not wet, before moving to the sunscreen step. Now apply sunscreen thoughtfully. Measure roughly a 1/4 teaspoon for the face or a 1/2 teaspoon for face plus neck to meet SPF claims. Dot the product across forehead, cheeks, nose, chin, and neck. Then spread evenly with gentle outward strokes and finish with light pats to form a uniform film. You're layering over serum, so avoid aggressive rubbing that can move actives. Instead, use steady pressure. Make sure to cover ears, hairline, and under the jaw for full protection. Finish by letting the sunscreen set for 1 to 2 minutes before applying makeup or going outside. Reapply every 2 hours or immediately after swimming or heavy sweating. When wearing makeup, use an SPF powder or spray for touch-ups. If you see pilling, that means too much product or incompatible textures. Switch to a thinner serum or reduce quantity and increase wait time between steps. Finally, if irritation appears, redness, burning, stop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.